Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also turn on the notification bell just so you know when next I upload a new video, right? Okay, so I'm at work. I'm sure from the background you can tell, but I received a delivery and I just wanted to, show you guys what I got. I know I mentioned in one of my videos that I shop a lot. I like to shop, not like I shop a lot, but I just like to buy things. But the only thing is I make sure that I buy things that I really need. So some items I ordered for a few weeks ago just came in, and I just want to show you guys, And in my recent video I did a facial routine video, and most of the products I use are from the same company that these items came from. So this is Oriflame Sweden, and this is how the package came in the nylon, not inside a box or anything. So I'll just show you guys pretty much what is in the package. So because I'm a consultant, usually for every time I order something, a catalog comes in. So this is what the catalog looks like, and this is where people that want to buy the items can check, and it has the prices and everything for the products that are currently in stock. So, and they change their catalog like every 3 months. So this is the one for this first quarter of 2020. So I always get that with every new order. Then it comes also with a price list. So this is a price list of all the products that they have currently in stock. And then this was like an invoice of the items I ordered. So then here comes the first item. This is a, this is a body lotion with SPF, that's with UV protection. So I basically ordered this because if you are following the news, I don't know if it's in the news anyway, but Nigeria is very hot right now, so you need to protect yourself. I've been taking care of my skin so much that right now I just don't want anything to just come and mess it up. So I ordered the body lotion. It is 200 mils. This was the most expensive item on the list though, but it's pretty worth it, and it has natural pomelo extracts, right? Yeah, so it's a full body lotion. Then the next item is this 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Is by Love Nature. This Love Nature is the same name for the other, in my facial routine video, my hydrating face lotion and my refreshing cleanser was by Love Nature. So this is also in that category, Love Nature. This is a 2-in-1 shampoo for all hair types. It has avocado oil and chamomile. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation. So, but basically I bought this because it has both the shampoo and the conditioner in one. My hair is I'm on dreads, so I don't think I have time to be doing the first wash, then rinse off, then do conditioning and all of that. So I just decided to go with the 2-in-1. They have variety of hair products, especially for natural hair and all of that. This is one set, and this is the one I usually use before for my natural hair, but now that I'm on dreads, I'm trying to do something different. And so this is from the set I just ordered. This is the one I ordered, and then they have 2 more. This one is shampoo for oily hair, one is shampoo for dandruff, blah blah. So that's, and then I also ordered this exfoliating face scrub. I've not tried any of their, well, I have, because the mask I used in my facial routine actually was a 2-in-1 set. It had an exfoliating scrub and then it had the mask. So that's the only scrub I've tried from them. This is going to be another one, so I think I'm going to stick with this one because I can just put this in the shower and use it like in the mornings or whenever I really decide to use it. So I ordered for this one. This is in how many mils? Okay, 75 mils. The thing about your product is don't mind the size. A little really goes a long way. So they are expensive, but a little really goes a long way. And so the last item that is on the list, the last item that is on the list is this deodorant, antiperspirant deodorant. So one thing about their deodorant and antiperspirant is it actually lasts for 48 hours. You feel fresh for 48 hours. For people that go to the gym, for people that sweat a lot, this is highly recommended. So it lasts for a whole day. I'm always on the field most times during my job, and sometimes even though you are in air conditioning and all of that. Sometimes you still overwork and then your body starts to set. So this keeps you fresh all day. So those are the 4 items I ordered this time around, and some of them I'm just trying them out, some I've been using them before. So I'm supposed to still order more, but I just like to do it step by step. I don't like to use too much product at the same time. So I won't call it a review, I'm just showing you guys. It's called a shopping haul unboxing, and I'll do more of this because I always get things. I order for things a lot. I like to shop online because it's so easy. So I always have products coming in. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you have still not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're not subscribing. You are just watching my videos, but I'm just begging, subscribe to my channel, help me grow this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.